Hi everyone, so I am back with another journal. This one is a little chunky bird themed journal and we're going to call that Adventure. And I have got measurements, but I'm not entirely sure they're right. Let me see. Yeah, they are right. So it's 6.5 by 4 1/8. It has a 2-inch spine. It has 3 signatures and 120 pages front and back. And like I said, it's another little chunky one. I'm really enjoying doing these. So kits I've used are from ARTYmaze, Tracie Designs, can't remember who else. I've used some Tracie Fox in here as well with the labels. Anyway, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The link will be below and there will be some form of like offer on it for today. So that's a fabric cover. Do you know, I did actually do a video on doing a cover and I mucked it up. It's like I mucked it up completely and I was like, how come when I'm not doing a video these things don't mess up? But I totally messed it up. The stitching come off, that like I was right off kilter with the stitching when I sewed this on. That had all been caught up and round here and I was like, okay, I'm not showing that video. So next time I do one, I will do a little video, because each journal cover I do is always going to be different, but I thought I'll just do this one. Right, anyway, back to that. So we've got a little bit of a dimensional topper on here, which is cardboard, covered it with some paper. There's a little bit of lace there. We have a pocket on the front and it says the story begins. That's a stamp, and it's got like a bow here. Adventure, little label there. They're from ARTYmaze. And inside you can see is a little chunky one. So this paper is from the Turkey Designs. I'm sorry if you can hear my grandson. He's in the other room and he's playing the Xbox and he's got his headphones in, and I think they forget that the rest of the world can hear them when they've got headphones in. They shout. I don't know what that's all about. So we've got tags here with birds. There's a mixture of I think they're both ARTYmaze actually. Little label and washi tape here. The digital washi tape is from chapter 1. Oh, this is from Tsunami Rose. And here we have, that's from one of ARTYmaze's bird kits. This was the little tip-in pages that I done. I think the video went up yesterday or the day before, and this was all Artful Era gallery, and there is a 40% discount link below in the description box. Little birdie tag here which just sticks in there. That flips out and we've got a bird ephemera here, a bird ephemera there, and that's how that was attached. So there is a video on that. We've got a little flip down here with some ephemera, hummingbirds. That's Tsunami Rose and this is ARTYmaze. And then obviously you can journal on all that. And this is a pocket here. This is Artful Era gallery. So yeah, go check them out for the 40% off. Labels, ARTYmaze. You can find ARTYmaze linked below. We've got some lined paper here. ARTYmaze digital washi. This is from Bohemian Crafting. And here we've got a little birdie tag. And we've got somewhere to journal here. This is from England is a Garden. And then here we've got a little side tucked, some digital washi there, and some birdie tags. And some fabric ruffle. Little bird ephemera. These are both from Artful Era. Got a little birdie on there. And that goes there. Squared paper, top tuck here, the birdies there. This is digital washi and these are from Tracie Fox. We've got hearts on a string, journal space, another little flip out here, a tag there. You can journal on here or add photos or whatever you like. Some bird ephemera, some paper here, little birdie tag. Some ephemera here from Artful Era. Label is Tracie Fox, digital washi from TaylorMadeJournals, some lace trim here. These are from ARTYmaze. That's a freebie on my coffee shop. So if you go over to my shop, check out my freebie section and also my digitals and any journals that I have for sale. I think there's one in there at the moment. Oh, that's actually open there. We've got a flip here, somewhere to journal. There's a book page pocket. We've got a tag here from ARTYmaze. Artful Era, that's ARTYmaze there. Journal space here. Here we've got index card and a monthly calendar there. That's Tsunami Rose. I've had trouble getting that in before. Just gotta wiggle it. ARTYmaze digital washi. This is from the Two Key Designs. Little bird cage there. Don't know who that's from. I think it's like Christie Art Designs or something like that. Had that a long time. Doesn't want to grin. Let's see, we'll put that in there like so. And digital washi and label from Tracie Fox. Here, this I've left them open. You can journal in there and then close it up if you like. This is from Line.Arrow. It's another one of these. Again, I don't know who that's from. Well, I am guessing it's Christie Art Designs. There we go. Then the middle signature is just coffee dyed, like plain papers, not designer papers. And you can just journal on them. And then onto the third signature, we've got a tag here. We've got an envelope there with the journal card. That is from ARTYmaze. And I think that kit's called Beautiful Birds. We've got a flip out here, somewhere to journal. Another birdie, piece of ephemera. England is a Garden book page. I think they're ARTYmaze. I don't know, I can't remember. We've got a tag in here. That is from ARTYmaze. Yeah, that just goes in there. We have a label there from ARTYmaze. Little bird, I think that's really cute. Little bird ephemera there from Artful Era. Digital washi labels here from Tracie Fox. My voice is going. It's very dry, like just in the air. It's got a hot day today, and we're going to have a really nice week next week, apparently. I won't hold my breath. The weather's been awful. Doesn't know what it wants to do. Don't get 2 days the same. It's really strange. You know, you could, and literally you could go out in the morning thinking it's, you know, it's like 80 degrees outside, and then see by like lunchtime you're looking for, you know, your rain jacket, or you're looking to like put a jumper on because it's got cold. Crazy. Another one of these. And we have a tag there. We've got another pocket here, digital washi from Taylor, who did I say that was, chapter 1, and label from Tracie Fox. Little envelope there, nothing in it. That's from ARTYmaze. I like how I've kind of tried to keep a little bit of the green flowing through the journal. Little flip there. Done these on video. No, I didn't do that one on video, did I? Can't remember. But yeah, there is a video on how to add in these tip-in pages. That's ARTYmaze. That's a double journal card, like so. And a little birdie tag there. Fabric ruffle. A couple of tags. That's from the Tag Galore kit. I think you'll find that one on ARTYmaze's coffee shop. Squared paper. Fingers didn't want to work then. Lots of journal space here. Little hearts on a string. Top tuck here. And a little label from Tracie Fox. Oh, there's nothing in there. I think I used that for the tag that goes in that. I think I used that for my last bird journal, because I still had quite a lot of stuff printed from the last bird journal that I did, so it was quite easy putting this one together, because there was bits and bobs already there. I think the Amazon guy's out the back. I've got a cul-de-sac out the back of me, and normally when the Amazon guy comes in, he'll go down there, and then when he comes out, I'm right on the corner, so he'll stop, and I've got a parcel due. It's nothing exciting, but it's just mascara. That was just some of my crazy colouring of using stencils and coffee water. And again, I tried to do a video of that, and I can't remember how I done it, and I messed that up as well. I've messed 2 videos up this week. Little tag. I think I've done this one on camera, because that's the Mockingbird one. You can hear Gobby in there singing away. He cracks me up. He's 8, and he sits and he's playing online with other people around the world with the Xbox, and then he starts singing like silly songs, and I'm like, there's people listening to you, you strange little boy. But yeah, my dogs might bark in a minute. If that is, oh, that's a double pocket there. Yeah, if that is the Amazon guy. In fact, my Ring doorbell will go off. Sometimes they don't even knock, they just dump the parcel, and it's not until you go out to look at something you realise your parcel's been delivered. Right, so that is the journal. If you're interested in this, it will be linked below. I will have some form of offer on there. And check out my other things on my coffee shop. Check out the other links below, to ARTYmaze, Tracie Fox, Artful Era. I didn't use anything from TaylorMadeJournals, but I normally do, but they're all linked below. Check all the links out below. You might find something of use. And I do know at the moment I'm just about to start doing a design team project for the old design shop. They're linked below as well. The Etsy shop has got a sale on at the moment, so go check that out. But I will mention the sale is on, and can you hear that beeping? The sale was on till the 30th or the 31st of this month, but go check it out. The old design shop Etsy store is linked below, and see if you fancy something over there as well. So have a good day. Speak to you all soon. Bye for now.